What's up, guys? We're just gonna do a market-wide update today. Real quick, just wanted to show you the Discord that I have. It's $30 a month if you sign up today or this month, and if you sign up for this month, it'll be $30 for forever. I plan on increasing it to 40 or 50 in December and beyond. And just look inside. This is crypto plays that basically shows you what I'm buying and selling in real time. And then today earlier, I gave a warning saying BTC might drag everything down. So just be cautious in markets right now. And then I kind of de-risked a bit. Stock plays will show you the options or equity that I buy. We have the BTC, alts, KuCoin gems. I just give frequent TA on this throughout the day. Then we got SPY, QQQ, stocks. We got ChartQuest, and then you also have the TA 101, how to set up trading view. I go over all the chart patterns over here with clear examples, so it's a really good resource. And then we also have Elliott Wave, and I go really in depth on these. So if you're interested, just DM me on Twitter, and then you can join. Alright, so we're just gonna jump in. This might be a long video. I didn't really plan my thoughts, but we're gonna dive into everything. So BTC, let's see what happened. This is the right chart. We can go with, we'll just go with Gemini. So my count right now is this. Put in a 1-2 from June to the COVID low. Then we got another 1-2. And I still have this as an intermediate degree. And then you show this. This is why I have wave 3. And then this is the expanded flat. And then if you take this, if wave 5 is equal to wave 1, then our expected top would be around 90K for wave 5 intermediate degree. It can extend definitely to 100 and 125. But let's just take a dive into the count right now. So here I have, let me do this. So here, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the reason why I count it this way and not like this, not like this, is because if you look at it, right here is where price, the RSI broke out. So it's kind of hinting that it's a wave 3 and price kind of accelerated. And then this would be the ending of wave 1. Okay. So where'd it go? I can't drag it. So this is the 1. I'll just redo it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like this. So this is a 1. That's 2. And you can see this is another expanded flat. So 1, 2, 3. This is pretty deep retracement. So the 4 is pretty shallow here. So it's good alternation. And 5 to complete 1. And then, whoa, that's not what I wanted. And then here, this is when we broke out for wave 3. So I would say this is confirmation that it's wave 3. And wave 3 started accelerating. So now it's 1, 2. Let's go down. So 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, into the 3, and we're still in a 4, I think. So either there's two scenarios, either this is an expanded flat, so 3, 3, 5, or A, B, C, and we still have downside to like 57K to 54K, or this is a triangle. Alright, this is a triangle where it's A. I know it looks ugly, but it's still valid. So A, B, C, D, and E. This can be, which one's lower? I don't know if you want to count the wick or not. So you can go C, D, and E, and then this whole move is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we put in a 2. Now we put in 2, and then once the 2 is in, we are working on a 3, 4, and 5, and that's going to take us to at least, well, I'm expecting 76K and then 84K to finish up this minor wave 3. Alright, so we'll see what happens. So it's either this expanded flat, it's either this 1, 2 coming out of the triangle, or it's this bigger expanded flat. Alright, and it kind of lines up with the stock market, because the stock market was also looked topped, and then the miners, they were also topped and they pulled back. So what do I mean by that? Let's see. So this is what I have for SPY or SPX. Expecting it to come down somewhere 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You gotta go lower time frame. Expecting it to tag like 46.22, dead cat to 46.80, and then ultimately finish around 45.67, something like that. I mean, it was going on an insane run, so it was due for a pullback. And then you can just tell, you can even tell in the indicators, it was like rounding off. But back to BTC. Yeah, back to here. And usually, whenever you have bearish divergence like this, especially on a high time frame, it's due for a pullback. So yeah, this is still my count. Macro wise, we're still fine. I mean, there is a bearish possibility where it's, let's see, where it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, B, and then C into some kind of weird, into some ugly looking expanded flat. But we're just gonna assume the bullish narrative for now. Alright, so let's go into some setups that I think are worth accumulating. CRV, and the reason why I'm looking at this is because the Bitcoin chart or the Satoshi pair is more important. This pair would tell you it's going to break out more. Like, yeah, you can look at USD, but it's not going to give you the real move until a certain level. So for this, as soon as it gets a monthly close or any close above this level, probably like a weekly close, then it's going to full send. Okay, it's going to full send like to at least 22,000 sats. Ultimately, probably like 36K or 37K. What does that translate to USD? Probably above $26. I don't know what the formation is right now. I have no idea. I mean, I had it as a triangle. Maybe now it's already complete as like a WXY, or even I don't even know what that is. probably WXY. That can be the alternative. Another coin I like, NKN. And if you notice, I'm just going for the best BTC pairs. So NKN, this one can rip hard. It just needs a close above 1222 sats. Once you get there, it can accelerate hard. USD looks fine. Looks fine. It's just slowly grinding up. You can count this as a triangle, or you can count it as like a 1 1 2 1 2 1 2, and then it just unravels. Like ultimately expecting $2.20. We'll see. So that's about 244% from now. I'm already positioned in. So I like that already. The RSI broke out and it got retested. That's nice. I mean, it's looking good as long as the 8 EMA is supporting it. All dips are being bought up. It's fine. Another coin. Oh my god. You can draw the trend like that. It's subjective. So I would say as soon as it gets above here, 44.93, it's a straight shot. Straight shot to 18k sats. What is that? USD. It's sick. I'm expecting like $70, maybe even 3 digits. One coin's already breaking out right now, or like looks very strong, is OXT. I mean, if you want to, if you're a breakout trader, maybe you can go ahead and buy once you get 11, like a weekly close above 1189, and then it can just do this. USD. I didn't even. Well, let's find out. So how I get my targets? Just take your fib. I'm in log scale, and then maybe it can probably hit $6, $10 moonshot, something like that. And if you want a clear example of why I picked the BTC pair, let's just look at LRC, man. Like, this is all you need to know. Alright, so this is literally all you need. This is the path, this is a blueprint. Once it breaks this downtrend and it gets above key pivot, and what I mean by key pivots, you put it on the monthly chart. Look at the body close, open and close, and that's why I call it bullish breaker or point of control. Once you get above this, then it just non-stop because there's no sellers. There's nothing. Buyers absorb everything. It's just a straight shot. And then when I tweeted this, I said it's ready to go. It's like what, 44 cents when I tweeted it. So it made a 480% move. That's sick. I didn't even participate in the trade with this. When you're a better TA than trading, I mean, I'm still learning. I'm still getting better. But yeah, I mean, it sucks that I'm not in there. One setup I'm waiting for is MATIC as well. As soon as it gets above, sorry, I can't speak today. As soon as it gets above 3329, I'm in leverage times 3 times 4 because this can be a straight shot. It'll go here. 10k to 11k sats. 200%. So USD would be like, I don't know, $5, $8, possibly double digits. Let's see any other ones I'm really interested in. XYO. XYO is good. It's just I think it needs more time to consolidate. Targets I'm looking for. So it's 6.8 cents right now. I would look for Short term 8 to 10 cents, and then macro be 20 cents. And if you want the blueprint for that, just look at SHIB. This coin is sick. And I still think it has more room. So definitely more room. It's in a wave 4. It can either make a triangle or a WXY down. If you get to 34.84, definitely not bad to add. Expecting 11.928, and the bullish pivot would be 67.05. So what I mean by that is, once you get some kind of daily above here, it's gonna go here. If it wants to extend, then I'll go here. And most likely when it gets to here, that's probably the top, or it's for sure the top. It's the macro top. I mean, look how accurate this is. So as soon as it cleared, what, 1541? Where's that? Did I put that right? I feel like oh, there you go. That's how I got the level. So the weekly point of control was 1771. Clear skies, and then from here it hit the target exactly 82.93, 10.20, 10.239 just missed. And then how did we get that? Where did it go? There's another way I found it, but maybe it's this one. Yeah, it's probably that one. I mean, you get the idea. The target hit correctly. Let me just load the Twitter page. Just want to see. That's insane. Anyways, definitely can't wait for XRP to go. I don't know what this exact formation is. It can either be a leading diagonal like this, and then the main level we need to watch is we just need to get above 36.18, and then I'll just teleport. USD, these are our price targets. So first all-time high, then 7 to 8, ultimately 20. I had a alternative count somewhere. Maybe it's, yeah. So a lot of the altcoins I was noticing had triangles. So maybe this can be an alternative where it's 1 A B C expanded flat, 2 1 2 3 4 5 3 A B C D E 4, and then work on your fifth, and then to get target for that, that's this conservative target. So 312 at least, for sure. I'll be laughing at everyone that called it I mean, it is a shitcoin, but saying it should go to 0. They obviously don't know what they're talking about. All they care about is the headlines and news. You just ignore the noise and trade the chart. That's it. We don't care about fundamentals. At least I don't. And it's been working out perfectly for me. Let's see, whether I think there was a few more. I think I covered most of these. Oh, H bar and vet. Let's look at vet. I know of the BTC pair was nice. Yeah, it's literally no resistance once you get. I'm waiting for 261. Then once you get above there, that's when it can just accelerate. And then the targets. Oh wow, you can see even higher targets. We'll just focus on the non-log targets first. So at minimum 120% against BTC. What does that look like in USD? That's a clean macro too. Easy count. I have as a triangle. Oops. Looks like this. Something like that. Obviously wave 3 can extend. So I think it can hit 40 cents, 57 cents. Moonshot $2, but we'll just take it one step at a time. What was that? What was that? E and J. Where is it? Oh man, this one's screaming. Super healthy chart. So, I mean, yeah, it looks like it's just backtesting the triangle or the trend line. Once you get a monthly above here, then you're good to go. Just need to flip 4,800 sats, and then it can just accelerate. Clean macro, really clean. 1, 2, cycle 1, 1, 2 primary. Excuse me, 1, 2 super cycle, 1, 2 cycle, 1, 2 primary, 3, 4 triangle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So target to be. Man, there's a lot of lines. It's kind of giving me a headache. Let's delete some. Ultimately expecting like $10, 31.57 moonshot, and that's what I think is gonna be popping for long-term holds. I went through. We can go through some KuCoin ones. KuCoin gems. These been killer. Insane. They've been insane profits. Have been like 3x in the portfolio on there. Holy shit! What the frig is that? Yeah, definitely. Money can be made here. BEPRO, I covered that I think last week. So it's not gonna move until you get daily above 24.38. It's just gonna chop around. Once it does, though, then we can pull like a 7x. CHR, this one was good. Oh shit, it's almost near target. Clean, and it said 0.90 is a level to flip for new highs. I think I had original analysis. Oh, I never put the prices, but yeah, it said RSI hinting on a breakout. This is at 46 cents. Since then, well, it's 140 now. My god. Hold a chart. This one looks good too. CWS. Honestly, I have no idea what any of these coins do. I just trade the chart. But yeah, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. DJO looks like it's done grabbing liquidity. Looks like a starting 1, 2. Oh, this one's a triangle. I don't like that setup anymore. This one looks fine. Looks ready for $1.36. D DFIN DVIN. I don't know how you say that. Dodo coin. That just sounds funny. I hate this overlap. I hate these kind of formations because it doesn't count clean. Like what the heck is that? What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, then 3. Well, I can't trade it, but our side breaking out looks like it's going for $1.12. I'm in flame right now. I think it looks ready. It can either be counted as a triangle, A, B, C, D, E, and then whatever this is. Because it's so low cap, just keep it big picture. So the level it needs is 237. Above 237, then you can go for 290 and then 425. Hero looks bottom to me. Looks like I did a 1-2 because it came to the 618. If you want better risk, then just wait for here, wait for the reclaim of this, and then it'll full send. Target is 29 cents. I hate these kind of overlapping charts, but it's like what? 1, 2, 3, 4. I just don't get it. Looks like it's going for 18 cents, man. Polex looks fine. Trias. This one looks good. Honestly, this is probably gonna go through data, to be honest. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. Probably gonna base around 19 bucks, 20 bucks. Maybe make a triangle, then go higher. UBX. I don't know what it's doing, but still thinking go for 2 cents. So that's a quick run through. Let's go over some of the stocks that I'm interested in accumulating. Whew, my god, I'm definitely expecting this to gap fill. Roblox. Definitely expecting a gap fill around 89. TSM looks like a leading DAG. So I'll be interested in 113, 115. Fuel cell, same thing. Leading DAG. QS, same thing. It's almost the same pattern everywhere. TLRY, like this one, I don't. The only bull count I have is this flat pattern, this running flat. And because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's a 1. 2. Oh, I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A. A, B, C. A, B, C, A. A, B, C, B. C. B. So expanded flat. And then working on God knows what that is. But I'll be interested again at 1050. High time frame looks fine. If you look at it. Yeah, high time frame looks fine. Looks good to me. I'm probably just gonna quit trading these low cap miners, so I'll probably stay away from BT. Goodbye. This one was great. I think I bought it. Yeah, bought it at 9 bucks and made it 2x. I'm already all out. I'll re-enter at 15, which is the point of control. That's where the wave 2 should come in. So it should be like that. If that happens, that kind of insinuates that Bitcoin has lower to go. So we'll see. But definitely Voyager is definitely one that I will be holding until at least, or I would be trying to hold until February 28th. I think it can hit 55 to 135 bucks for the top. RIOT, I was in for most of the move. Now it's retracing heavily for wave 2. And then, oh, I didn't even go over the micro accounts, but so I have it as a wave 4 triangle. Everything's a triangle these days, my god. I mean, you could count it as a. Can you count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, I guess that was so weird. 1, 2, 3, 4. You could count it as a DAG, but I think it's cleaner as a triangle because ABCA, ABCB, ABCC, ABCD, ABCE, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. It counts down to 2. If it gets to 31 bucks, load the farm. Macro, I think we can hit. Where'd it go? Okay, I don't think we can hit that, but I think we can hit 106 bucks, 153. I mean, it's been there before, so I think it can get there. IBKR, this chart is sexy. Easy count, easy 2 count. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, and then we're working on our 5th right now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, and then this is almost complete, so that's gonna be another 1. So I'll be interested in the 2 over here between 67 and 65. CLSK, I made major bones on this. Expecting, this is my count, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then ultimately expecting 35 to be tested, and then macro like 60, 62, 85, 98. Yeah, there's a lot of meat left on the bone. Can also 9x. I think it can get to $81 or $93. It's just this formation I don't understand. So the only bullish way I can count it is either this whole thing's an A. This can be counted as A, B, C. So like this looks kind of weird. And then this would be 1, 2. Well, actually, I don't think it can be counted like that because this one this move up is bigger than this move. So that's why I don't like it like that. That's why it counts as a triangle. So A, B, C, D, E, 4. Then we put in a 1 and 2. And the reason why I don't like it like this is because I don't like where you have here. I don't like where you have like a 1, 2, and then the subwave of that is bigger because that doesn't make sense. I don't think the lower degree wave 1 should be bigger than your parent degree wave 1. I don't know if it's written in rule somewhere, but it just doesn't look right. So that's my principle that I follow. Some other traders don't follow it, and I mean their counts, I don't give it that much credit if they don't follow it this way. It just doesn't seem right. ARK, clean count here too. Oh God, we gotta go back. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This expanded flat too, but ultimately expecting 115 and 113. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 160 to 170 to be tested, and then we'll see. Let's see. 235. Man, that'd be sick. 235 ultimate target. So yeah, those are the coins that I'm interested in. I think I went through most of them. I know this is a long video. My throat's getting dry. You can see on my Twitter, most of my things, most of the TA has been accurate. Like it speaks for itself. And if you're interested in joining the group, $30 in my opinion. I've been a part of groups where I pay like 100, 150, and their shit was fucking trash. It's so bad. Like their analysis is arbitrary. They don't really provide a viewpoint. I provide like calculated risk, target, entry, and stop loss. Like I don't know what more you need from that. And I mean I live and breathe this shit every day. And I think that's what sets me apart. And I know for sure my stuff is worth way more than other services provide. Let's talk about Tesla. So this one proved me wrong. I was expecting lower, but hey, we can't always be right. I can accept when I'm wrong. I'll admit it. I don't have too much pride where I'm always right. You can't be perma bull, perma bear. You just gotta flow with what the market takes you or gives you. So Tesla leading DAG 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because this was an ABC, a simple zigzag, this cannot be ABC. This has to alternate. It doesn't have to, it's just an alternation will look good. So I'm expecting either a triangle or a flat and then higher, or we can do WXY. But ultimate targets 1364, 1700, 2K ultimate target, maybe 2400. I'll just throw that in there just for the culture. Actually, wait, I don't think that makes sense. Oh, that's fine. I'll just leave it there. Yeah, actually, I don't think so. Mora. This one, I don't know if this is the leading DAG and that's a 2 and that's a 3 and we're coming for 4, or if the whole thing was a leading diagonal. So what I mean by that is, was it like this, where it's, let me just hide that, where it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we come down for 2, and then we come down to the A, B, C. Like I can't see it coming down this far. I don't think it's gonna test that low. I don't think it's gonna come back down to $38 from 64. I mean, I can be wrong. So just be mindful of the count. It does actually subdivide pretty nice, but the way I had it, I think is correct. Oh, fuck. There you go. So I think I have is 1, 2. Did I have it like that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn, now I forgot what it looks like. Oh. Okay, this is how I had it. So leading dag 1, 2, that's a 3, and we're coming down for 4. And I think it's gonna come like this. And then what was wave 2? ABC or ABC, ABC, WXY. We're just gonna have to wait and see. But definitely not bad to accumulate here. And then ultimate target 105 to 150. That sounds, man, that sounds crazy. Lucid definitely on my radar as well. I think that it's all 5 waves are put in. So divergence, divergence. So I think we're coming down for wave 2. We'll be loading heavily between, yeah, I think 27 bucks would be a good area. And the ultimate targets are insane. 3 digits. I mean, it's basically the next Tesla, right? Even though I don't really care about the fundamentals. Actually, I take that back. So for stocks, yeah, to a point, they gotta be somewhat good. I'll show you why. Let's look at something real quick. Let's look at PTON. Same thing with DraftKings. They both dropped. This is why. Oh, I guess he deleted his tweet. Oh no, it's right here. So here you go. Okay, so I said right after I tweeted this, I think it's gonna test 64. I mean, you can do all the fundamental analysis you want. It doesn't matter. The chart doesn't care. It'll go wherever it wants to go. So in this case, I mean, look at it. Head and shoulders, EMAs crossed down, RSI's kept dying, and now it's just let it base. I'm not interested at all until maybe 63 is reclaimed, but even then, it's just there's so many better setups available. Same thing on DKNG. It just looks like shit. I mean, head and shoulders. I'm not into that. I mean, I know there's some people commenting on my feed saying they can't see it because of what sports betting is so popular and whatever. But anyways, expecting a bottom between like 34 and 30. Yeah, I think I went through everything. It was kind of random. I apologize if I was talking too fast or if I was all over the place and like my thoughts were definitely not in order, but that's just that's just what I think so far. So TLDR, everything's dipping and this would be a great buy the dip moment. I have hella ammo on the sideline and I'm waiting for entries. TLDR, this is what I'm waiting for. I will load the shit out of the calls on these miners. And then the blue chip stocks would be like, well, not even blue chip, but just the speculative stocks. The growth stocks, QS, Lucid, I'll be loading those for sure. I think energy will be good too. So fuel cell, I'll be loading that. And then for crypto, H bar, when H bar it looks good right now. When it gets above here, 772 sats, I'll go leverage. When MATIC, when MATIC gets above 3339, I'll go leverage. Because those will be easy teleportation moves. It'll be easy. There's one more. Oh, oh, here we go. CRV. When CRV gets above 7607, Of a daily, I'll go leverage because you've seen it before. You've just seen it. LRC's given this. Mana's given this. It's just the way it works. And I don't understand all these people always asking my opinion on coins that already run. Like why are you buying coins that have 2x? Like people ask me, "Oh, is it a good time to buy mana?" No. No, it's not a good time, bro. It's just why would you buy the top? And someone's saying, is it a good time to buy SHIB? I was like, why? It's already at the top. I mean, now it's okay, but stop chasing these pumps and start accumulating pre-pump. Someone was asking me about LRC. I mean, why would you buy here when you could have bought it down here? Like, I don't get it. And definitely, like, yeah, if I'm holding it, you can. I was expecting a pullback here. Definitely expecting a pullback at 9100 sats. Sorry, my mic died. And then ultimately it's gonna be like $6, $11. Well, that's a long video, but I hope you enjoyed and learned something. I'll try to get more videos out. In the meantime, just DM me if you're interested in my Discord. Safe trading, guys.